Hello everyone, this is Guillermo Martinez, part of the operations and engineering team with Polygon US. Today I'm going to be breaking down 3 quick strategies that we apply a lot to our system so that we improve their performance. Number 1 would be pre-cooling our desiccants. We like to bring in as cold of an air as we can to the inlet of the process side so that that desiccant wheel can remain cool and absorb more moisture than it would if it was warm. Number 2 would be recirculating. By recirculating, we're recirculating from the space or building that we're treating so that we have somewhat pre-treated air going into our inlet. On number 3, we would be talking about pre-treating the REACT inlet. This allows us to have lower grain count going into the reactivation inlet so that it reactivates the wheel even deeper and can capture more moisture on the process side again. All of these strategies combined can allow us to achieve the low dew points that we do for pharmaceuticals, manufacturing facilities, and even battery production. So if this is something that interests you, please give us a call and we'll be glad to talk to you about it.